Most people think they understand health. They believe they're doing everything right, eating the good stuff, avoiding the bad, and maybe even taking a few vitamins. They look around and see everyone else getting older, slowing down, losing their sharpness. And they figure that's just how it goes. It's a part of life, a natural decline. But what if I told you that almost everything you've been taught about aging and vitality is wrong? What if the very things you're consuming, the habits you're clinging to, are actually speeding up your body's decay? It's a tough pill to swallow, I know. You scroll through social media, you read health blogs, you watch the news, and there's always some new superfood or detox trend promising eternal youth. You try them, you feel a little better for a week or two, and then you're back to feeling tired, achy, and just old. This isn't because you're failing, it's because the information itself is often flawed, incomplete, or even deliberately misleading. Many are unknowingly accelerating their aging, consuming what they believe are health foods that are actually detrimental. They're buying into the marketing, not the science. They're following the crowd, not the path that truly leads to sustained energy, clear thinking, and a body that feels decades younger. I see it every day. People meticulously planning their meals, avoiding processed foods, hitting the gym, and yet they're still struggling with brain fog, joint pain, low energy, and a general sense of not feeling their best. They're confused, frustrated, and often feel like they're fighting a losing battle against time. But there's a quiet confidence that comes from knowing something others don't, a calm understanding that the widespread narrative is missing a crucial piece, a fundamental truth about how our bodies truly age and how we can reverse that process. It's not about magic, and it's certainly not about deprivation. It's about precision, about understanding the microscopic world within us and giving it exactly what it needs to thrive, not just survive. The truth is, ignorance is not bliss, it's a ticking clock. Every day you continue with the same old routines, the same old beliefs. That clock ticks louder. Each moment you spend consuming things you think are healthy but are actually corrosive to your cells, you're losing precious time, precious vitality. The path to true longevity isn't found in mainstream advice or quick fixes. It's counterintuitive, it challenges established wisdom, and it asks you to look beyond the surface. It demands a deeper understanding, a willingness to question everything you thought you knew. It's about unlocking the secrets to cellular resilience, not just masking symptoms. Before we dive into the blueprint for maximizing your longevity, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future content. And tell us where you're watching from in the comments below. Your location helps us understand our global community and tailor content that resonates with you. Now let's get into it. My own journey into understanding true longevity wasn't a straight line. For years, I was just like many of you, diligently following what I thought were the rules. I ate my whole grains, loaded up on fruits and vegetables, avoided processed foods, and faithfully took a multivitamin, along with a few other popular supplements like fish oil and vitamin D. My morning started with a nutritious smoothie packed with spinach, banana, protein powder, and chia seeds, convinced I was fueling my body for optimal performance. I went to the gym consistently, pushing myself, believing that more effort equaled more results. But despite all this effort, something felt off. I'd wake up feeling sluggish, even after a full night's sleep. That morning smoothie, instead of energizing me, often left me with a heavy feeling in my stomach. And by mid-morning, I'd be reaching for another coffee to fight off the mental fog. My workouts, while regular, seemed to yield diminishing returns. Recovery was slow, and persistent joint pain, especially in my knees and shoulders, became a constant companion, despite my anti-inflammatory diet. I'd read every article on gut health, tried probiotics, prebiotics, fermented foods, but the digestive discomfort never fully went away. It was a constant low hum of not quite feeling right, a general sense of stagnation, despite my diligent efforts. I remember one specific period I was meticulously tracking macros, eating what was considered a perfect paleo diet, and yet I felt worse than ever. My energy levels were erratic, my skin looked dull, and my thoughts felt muddy. I'd spend hours researching different brain-boosting supplements, convinced that if I just found the right combination, the mental clarity would follow. I tried ginkgo biloba, lion's mane, phosphatidylserine, you name it. For a few days, I might feel a slight lift, a placebo effect maybe. But then it was back to the same struggle. My memory felt fuzzy. Recalling names or details often took more effort than it should, and staying focused on complex tasks became a genuine challenge. There were moments of real frustration. I'd look at people who seemingly did less, ate more unhealthy foods, and yet appeared to have boundless energy and feel fantastic. It made me question everything. Was I doing something wrong? Was my body just built differently? The skepticism started to creep in, a quiet doubt about the widely accepted health paradigms. I felt let down by the mainstream advice, by the glossy magazines and the popular wellness gurus who promised so much but delivered so little in my personal experience. It felt like I was constantly chasing a moving target, investing time, money, and emotional energy into solutions that simply weren't working for me. This growing disillusionment wasn't just about my physical symptoms. It was about the feeling of being misled, of putting in the work and not seeing the promised payoff. I started to understand that there had to be something deeper, something fundamental that I was missing. My body was sending clear signals that the conventional path wasn't leading to the vibrant health I sought. That nagging feeling, that constant low hum of not feeling quite right, eventually pushed me to a true turning point. I realized I needed to stop just following trends and start really understanding my body at a deeper level. This led me down a rabbit hole of scientific literature, far beyond the typical health blogs and mainstream articles. I dove into studies on cellular health, mitochondrial function, and the intricate dance of specific nutrients within our cells. It was like learning a whole new language, one that explained why my previous efforts had fallen short. The research wasn't about avoiding bad foods or chasing superfoods. It was about supporting the fundamental processes that govern aging and vitality at a microscopic level. I started seeing how things like cellular energy production, waste removal, and DNA repair were the real keys, and how certain compounds could directly influence these processes. I learned about the critical role of mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, and how their decline directly correlated with aging and disease. I discovered that many common deficiencies weren't just about feeling tired, but about impairing these vital cellular functions. It was a complete paradigm shift, moving from a superficial understanding of nutrition to a deep dive into biochemical pathways. I realized that the healthy foods I'd been eating, while not inherently bad, weren't necessarily optimized for cellular longevity, and the supplements I chose were often generic, lacking the targeted support my cells truly needed. This newfound knowledge completely changed how I viewed health and aging. It wasn't about fighting a losing battle against time. It was about empowering my cells to function optimally for longer. Armed with this deeper understanding, I meticulously researched and implemented a new regimen, focusing on 5 specific supplements that consistently showed promise in supporting cellular health and mitochondrial function. These weren't the trendy, brightly packaged items I used to buy. They were often less known, backed by serious science, and targeted at specific cellular mechanisms. The change wasn't immediate, but it was profound and noticeable within weeks. My energy levels soared, not with a jittery caffeine rush, but with a steady, sustained vitality that lasted all day. The mental fog that had plagued me for years lifted, replaced by a clarity and focus I hadn't experienced since my youth. Tasks that once felt daunting became manageable, and my memory improved dramatically. The persistent joint pain, which I had resigned myself to, slowly faded, allowing me to move with a freedom I thought was long gone. My recovery after workouts became quicker, and I felt stronger, more resilient. Even my skin, which had been dull and prone to breakouts, began to glow with a healthy radiance. This transformation wasn't just about feeling better, it was about living better. I wasn't just adding years to my life, I was adding life to my years. I could hike for hours without fatigue, engage in mentally demanding work with ease, and enjoy my hobbies with renewed vigor. This journey taught me that longevity isn't about avoiding death, which is inevitable, but about maximizing health span, ensuring that the years you live are vibrant, active, and full of purpose. It's an ongoing commitment, a continuous process of learning and adapting, but the rewards are immeasurable. This isn't a magic bullet, it's a blueprint for empowering your body to thrive. True longevity isn't found in what you chase, but in what you nourish at a cellular level.